Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another tutorial. Today I'll be making this water bottle strap, or you can call it also a water bottle carrier, okay? Something like this. It's like that. So okay, let's start. Okay, we need lighter, scissors, roller, and paracord. Yeah, I'm using paracord this time because my customer were asking if I could use paracord. So I have 4 times 300 cm 4 mm paracord. So yeah, let's start. This is 300 cm, so it's 300 cm each, so it's quite long. So yeah, you have to fold it in the center and make sure it's equal. Okay, so from the center, once you fold it from the center, you have to measure it 70 cm. No, 60 cm. Okay, 40, then plus 20, so 60 cm. Okay, from there, 60 cm, I'll take 4 strands of it. Okay, 4 strands. Then, so you make a loop. So yeah, my customer were asking for the sling water bottle strap, so it's quite long. This one is just a strap, just a holder, so it's quite short. So this is 20 cm. For the sling, I need 60 cm long. So yeah, let's start. Okay, I'll be doing this kind of knot. I'm not really sure what's the name of the knot, but yeah, I like it so much. So this is, see, 4 colors. 4 strand. The black one bottom. So I have to grab this black, then this one. So trellis. Same thing. Then these two again. Okay. Then these two. Black and this one. Okay. This one and this one. I'm not really sure what wave is this, so yeah, but I like it so much. So it's quite long. So yeah, just continue until you reach your strap length. For me, because this one is a child, so I'll go for 60 cm. Just continue. For the crossbody, so I make it 80 cm long for the strap. 80 cm. So yeah. So 40. So that means times 2, so it's 80 cm. So okay, from here I'm going to do this knot. I love this knot. I've been using this knot and it's quite good and effective. So yeah, like this. Okay, stick this, grab this one, then wrap around your finger 3 times. So this is 1, 2, then 3, and grab this first one, wrap around and go through here, go through this loop twice. Okay, twice. 1, this is the second one. Okay, and now take this first one, pull slightly to tighten it, and then take this one and then pull this. Okay, we have 2 here. So now this one I want it tight, so okay, and then tighten up. Okay, then pull it. So okay, that's it. So yeah, I like it. And do the same with the other one. Start the bag. So okay, so we're going to make a knot. So what I do is just measure it using my 2 fingers. So by using this, it's easy for me, but this one, if you want to measure it, it's around 4 cm long, the distance. So yeah, here. Okay, then do the snake knot. Okay, pull this, tighten it. Okay, so yeah, it's 4 cm. Same thing with this. So yeah, do the same with the other side. So yeah, and now we have to connect this one, this one, this one. Same distance, 4 cm. Okay, we have to do that. Okay. So 4 cm. Then pull this there. So yeah, and then okay, so it's like that. Then connect these two. Connect these two. Yeah, this is my favorite way of doing this, because you can really control it and the cord won't move. So that's how I do it. So yeah, there. So yeah, it's like that. So for the water bottle, we need 7 layers of this. 1, 2, need 5 more here. Okay, so 1 is this. You have to do a Okay, the 7th one is like this. I'm going to do the reverse square knot. Okay, same thing, about, okay, my 2 fingers, so it's about 7, no, it's about 4 cms. Okay, okay, like this. And this one, okay, then tighten it. Okay, see that? Okay, I'm going to do the reverse square knots. Okay, okay, then okay, this is like that. Then I have to do the same, the opposite side of the cord, so pair of cords. So this one, then I'll take this one, do the same. So okay, okay, take this, go through here, then tighten it a bit, not really tight because, okay, then do the reverse. So this will be the base of our, yeah, of our water bottle bag or container. Okay. So now, what's out for this? How I connect these 4 pairs of cords. Okay, so what I do, okay, is loosen a bit some holes here. Okay. So this one, I go through here, and same thing with the other side. Okay, I'm gonna tighten it. Then here, this one, go through here. Yeah. So, okay, same thing. The length will be the same. Okay. That's it. Now, go to the square knot again. Okay. So this will be on top. This will go behind through here. Okay. Just watch out that it's not going to come loose. And then just do the square knot. Okay. Okay, that's it. one more. That's it. Same thing with the other side. Okay. Go to here. And tighten it. Not really tight, just enough. And this one. Okay. Okay. Into the screw. Yeah, I just come up with this style, with this design, and it's quite good because the bottom, the base of your bag is quite stable. Even if you put it on the ground or it's on the table, it will stand up by itself. Okay, so yeah, just continue. This one you have to tighten everything. You have to finish this one. So yeah. So okay, we're at the last side of the base. So yeah, that's how it looks like. See? Okay. Yeah, just put some space that can move around. So okay, we're going to cut this one. And so yeah, we're done. Okay, it's nice. That's how it looks like today. You can let it dry. This fits almost all of the sizes of your water bottle. See, this one can stand. Okay, put your water bottle and stand up. If you want to put the tumbler, okay, this is the Starbucks tumbler. Still pink, you see that? There. That's how it looks like. So yeah, that's pretty it. This is 80 cent, 80 cent in here. It's a nice drop. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. To my members, thank you so much for the support. And please like, comment, and share what you think of my video. If you want to see more, you can request what you want to see next. Everyone, thank you so much. See you next time. See you at my next tutorial. Thank you so much. Bye bye.